2, 1.
We're on a race car. Lock it down.
Watch the bottom. Big push behind him. Low. They're wrecking.
That was close.
Green checkers. Nice job. Woo! How about that, boys?
Martinsville Speedway. It is the first race of the round of 8, and that gives you an opportunity to punch your ticket to the championship fourth.
Take care of it, make it live, have something run up the end.
We're going to get us a club today, by guys.
We'll be smart, be smooth all day, take care of it. Hopefully be around the end to go win this thing.
Green flag in the air, we're racing at Martinsville.
Side bumpers.
Easy. Sorry about that, Denny. You're short on the pump here with these Martinsville cars on the left rear.
All right, green, white, checkered. Stage, hold on. EMTJ, come on.
Green flag.
Green, all.
Get in front, check up, say hi, you're all right, top is clear, keep coming.
Go, all the way.
Oh, now we broke an axle.
Right side axle! Yellow, bring it back to us. Tail, look like the right rear. Gotta be me.
Kyle Larson stayed on the racetrack. Gonna be an interesting end to the stage here.
Not that many laps to go, so we'll just have to fight for everything we can, try to get some stage points.
Kyle Larson has the lead. TRUEX back to second.
Inside bumper.
There you go, good fight right there. Oh, hell yeah, you got it. You're coming hard. All right, green, white, checkered, that's there, bud.
Well, TRUEX dominated the entire first half of the race. Will he dominate here as we close it out?
Green, all rolling good. Yeah, bottom right on the inside corner, inside 22.
If you would have tried to race me, you just passed me instead of moving me, I would have probably let him go. Inside 10.
Wreck him if you have to.
Lock it down here. They lock down.
You lock her down.
You all right, man?
Yep, but we are out of the race.
Just the 22 tight. Still there.
Keep rolling inside the 11 on your tight. Keep coming up the 11 into you inside the 2. Got a tire rub there.
Caution behind you. Caution. Cool everything down here.
Hold the brake.
Who's playing games? He thinks I'm playing games. He must not know me.
Wrecking 4, caution's out.
All right, coming to the green. Here we go.
Green flag back in the air.
I'm rolling. Still outside 24.
Could William Byron have something left for the former series champion as he searches for his first ever win?
He's trying, man.
Oh, yeah. It ain't easy, man.
All right, 90. Still clear by 4. Get her back to the line.
Martin Truex Jr. has dominated at Martinsville. He will have a championship 4 spot.
Hell yeah, boys. Frickin' Martinsville. Yeah. Unreal, man. Unreal job. Great job. Way to be picture. You guys frickin' killed it.
Hey, baby, we're going to Miami, come on. Go get you some of that, EMTJ.